like it?
Y'all, once again, welcome back. So please excuse the background noise. I'm trying to film this voiceover while my kids are doing the most outside my door, okay? So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I'm doing Emery's hair for her first day of school, which was Monday. I know it's probably Tuesday or Wednesday when you guys see this, but yeah. So I just parted out the hair, and then I'm showing you guys the products. I go in with this BB Super Grow grease, and I just pretty much put that on the ends of the hair. And then I go in with this coconut oil. It is cooking oil, but yeah, I find it at Walmart or Target, and I just put that in her scalp because, you guys, it works really good. And I'm not a professional braider or whatever, but I feel like I got it down packed to be able to do my kids' hair. Okay, now yeah, I'm going with this edge wax, and I just pretty much put that on the roots of the hair, you know, so the braids can lay down and look all slick or whatnot. And then I go in with this Eco Styler gel just to get everything all in flyaways intact. Okay, so I'm gonna clip the hair back, and then I'm gonna just begin to braid the part that I did section out. And yeah, so I'm gonna just braid on down. I did make her braids at the back small to medium, and as I get towards the top, I will make them sort of bigger. But yeah, it's still going to all flow together like you guys saw in the previous clips or whatever. And I just pretty much do that all to the back, you know, like 4 or 5 at the back, and then I parted out a second row, and I'm going to do the same with that. So the first row is pretty much complete. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go in with these beads, and I did put them on off camera, and then I'm gonna go ahead and part out the second row and do the same with the second row. And I am trying to get this part as straight as possible, but you know, yeah, I wasn't gonna go all into getting it, you know, I don't really focus on getting it super straight. I try to get it as straight as I can because her hair is like so thick, you guys. And then, you know, I ain't trying to strain her. Now, it might look like I'm probably being heavy-handed, but I'm really light as hell when it comes to doing hair. Like, whether you're an adult or a child, I'm like really light on hair or whatever. And so I'm just pretty much putting all the moisture to the hair and doing everything that I did. And I know you guys probably was wondering what was in her hair when we first started. There was Cantu leave-in conditioner. I wish I did not show because I just put it on after I had washed her hair. I'm doing the same that I did to the previous, and I'm just showing you guys a little clip from my iPhone that I had made with her hair or whatever. And then the front part is going to be parted out differently. I'm gonna kind of curve the parts a little bit, and then I'm gonna do like the little side I don't know what you call these, but they're like side braids or whatever, and they like hang towards the face. And yeah, and then after I do that, I'm gonna curve the parts, and I will be showing you guys that. So as y'all can see, my child is like big chilling, okay? Like they always is big chill when I do their hair because I'm not heavy-handed at all. This video is just pretty sped up, you guys. So yeah, they just be big chilling when I be doing their hair, braiding their hair. Mainly I always braid their hair because, you know, it's a style that lasts longer and it's a protective style. So yeah, she just pretty much just gonna be sitting here getting her hair done, and I just pretty much did that for the whole head. the whole remainder of the head I did the curved parts, and I will be showing you guys that. Okay, so this is what it looked like, and then I'm just going to show you guys how it came out, and then I'm just going to add the beads, and we are complete. Well, not yet. We're going to finish up. I'm going to go in with this wrap setting lotion from Argan Oil, and I'm gonna just put that all over her hair. Normally I do put like a warm towel on top of this just so it can sink into the head and, you know, get those flyaways if it's any, but it's pretty much not any. But yeah, I just do that so it can last longer and set into place. The braids won't be looking, you know, old fast and all of that. And then I'm gonna go in with this gel and just fix up her edges, you know, get them edges laid. Y'all know I don't play with them edges, okay? And then yeah, I'm just pretty much doing that. Make sure if y'all use this, y'all do it softly. She just don't like nothing in her face, but yeah, I'm not doing it rough at all. And yeah, we just gonna pretty much get them edges laid, and that's it. We're gonna wrap this head up, and yeah, that'll be it, you guys.
Mommy, I will show my dad.
Okay, you can show them in a minute. We finna show them first.
Subscribe, comment, and like Mommy's video. See ya next time. Peace.